On that road to Damascus clear, a man with zealous heart and sneer, blinded by a holy light, a change profound, oh true and bright. So to Paul his name reformed, by grace alone a heart transformed. Voices from the heavens high, who are you, Lord? He said with a sigh. Blinding light, oh call so pure, your grace and love I can't ignore. From darkness into light I'm born, in your embrace my soul adorned. Persecution ways he left behind, Apostle Paul with truth aligned, preaching love from shore to shore, change forever, evermore. Chains and trials could not break the love so strong, fate's no mistake. In prison's cold he wrote and sang, for his Lord the heavens rang. Blinding light, oh call so pure, your grace and love I can't ignore. From darkness into light I'm born, in your embrace my soul adorned. Oh, soul adorned. Oh, 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 call so adorned. Oh, oh, persecution ways he left behind, Apostle Paul with truth aligned, preaching love from shore to shore to shore, change forever, evermore, adorned. Blinding light, oh call so pure, your grace and love I can't ignore. From darkness into light I'm born, in your embrace my soul adorned. In your embrace my soul adorned. Oh, oh, my soul adorned. In embrace my soul adorned. Oh, oh, my soul adorned. Persecution ways he left behind, Apostle Paul with truth aligned, preaching love from shore to shore, changed forever, evermore. Yeah.